Basic embroidery stitches. Knot stitch. Exit at point A. Enter at point B. Thread out at point A. Hold needle with left hand. Wrap thread on needle with right hand. First coil thread on hand. Then slip loop onto needle and tighten. The wound length is 2 to 3 times the distance from A to B. Gently hold the loop, slowly pull out the needle. After tightening, enter at point. The knot stitch is complete. For a rose knot stitch, first make 2 knot stitches in the center. The number of wraps depends on flower size. Petal colors can go from dark to light. Use dark for the inner. Use light for the outer to embroider. Exit at 1/3 of the line. Enter at the opposite position. Make a half wrap, then flip out from the round hole. Hold the needle with left hand. Wrap thread with right hand. The wraps should be more than the first layer. How many wraps exactly? It depends on the petal size. When pulling, adjust the petal position to wrap around the center. Outer petals exit at 1/3 of each petal. Enter at the opposite position. Wraps for each layer will increase. Feather stitch exit at a point. Enter at a point into the loop. Do not pull through. Exit at point C and pull tight. Enter at point D. Exit at a point and tighten thread. Repeat steps A, B, C. Feather stitch can embroider leaves, can embroider stems. When the embroidery ends, tack the thread with small stitches. First, use feather stitch for stems. A flower stem uses 3 strands. Needle up at point A, needle down at point B, then emerge at C and pull tight. Repeat the above steps until all stems are done. Petals use 3 strands for satin stitch. Needle up at A, down at B, emerge at C. Left hand holds the needle, right hand wraps the thread. How many wraps depends on the flower size. Here I wrap it 5 times. Gently hold the coil, pull the needle and thread, adjust the coil to the round hole position, then insert the needle. Emerge at 1/3 of the petal. Insert at the opposite side, flip out from the round hole, then wrap. Arrange the coil, emerge and pull the thread, tighten and insert the needle. Always emerge at 1/3 of the previous petal. One petal overlaps the next, layer upon layer, gives a more three-dimensional look. For herringbone stitch, emerge at A. Insert at B. Emerge at C. At D, insert. Emerge at E. Insert at F. Emerge at G. Herringbone stitch has 2 parallel lines, alternating up and down, while embroidering. Herringbone can be used for edging, baskets, or joining 2 fabrics. Sharing how to embroider a cupcake. Cherry outline, 3 strands, stitch forward 1, back half a stitch, push needle up again, pull thread, tighten thread, stitch forward 1, back half a stitch. Pull. Insert needle at round hole, pull thread. Satin stitch with 3 strands, start in middle, stitch to sides, straighten and flatten threads, stitch closely, one next to another. Start with 3 strands. Bring needle up at cherry's edge. Insert needle at cherry's center. Pull out through round hole. Add a guiding needle. This makes the lace larger. Hold both needles with left hand, wrap thread with right hand. Remove the guiding needle, press down the lace. Gently pull thread, arrange the lace. Insert needle at round hole. 1 cream lace is done. For second petal, needle up at 1/3 from previous petal's edge. Insert needle at cherry's right, pull out through hole, add guiding needle. Repeat previous steps. Each petal overlaps the previous, layer upon layer. This gives a more 3D look. Last lace layer, add 2 guiding needles. This makes lace larger and more 3-dimensional. Left hand, guiding needle, right hand, wrap thread. Tighten the thread a bit. First, remove guiding needle, gently press the petal. Remove needle, tighten thread. Arrange the petal. Just insert needle at round hole. French knot with 3 strands, needle up from back. Wrap thread around needle twice. Left hand holds thread, right hand inserts needle. Herringbone stitch, 3 strands, needle up at A. Insert at B point. Needle up at C point. At D point, insert needle. Stitch alternating up and down while embroidering.